everybody, thank you so much for stopping back by my channel. I know that it's been a minute. I have been super busy. Life has literally just kind of it didn't really fall apart, but everything kind of just fell all at the same time. Nothing bad. I celebrated my 25th birthday, which was absolutely wonderful. I decided I wanted to have a party, so that took up a lot of my time. I'm also currently a maid of honor for one of my lovely sisters' wedding, Pearl Tenny, and I also just have like a bunch of stuff going on with work and just life, so I haven't really had a minute to sit down and actually record, which has been frustrating for me. But now I am slowly coming back. I am going to have regular videos, and I hope that you are still tuning in and will enjoy the content that you see here on my channel. So today's video, I just wanted to do a fashion haul. I've been doing a lot of shopping lately, mostly because of the birthday gifts that I've been given, but also just because I am kind of switching my style around just a tad bit, and I wanted to kind of clear some stuff out of my closet and bring some new stuff in. So this is a two-part haul. The first part of this haul is going to be clothes, shirts, t-shirts, pants, all that stuff. And then the second part of the haul will be shoes and a few accessories, in case you just want to watch one of these videos, or you can watch both. Just want to let you know which one is, know which one is for what. That way you can pick accordingly. Anyways, let's just jump right in. So my first item that I have are these lovely, I'm not going to wear these now because it is very warm in New Jersey, but these pants from Boohoo. They are just regular like sweater legging type pants. They say, what is this, 1990 Paris on the thigh area. Very cute. Gray is my black. I got them in a size US 4, and they're pretty comfortable. Don't really have any complaints about them. And I decided I wanted to also get it with the matching hoodie, which also says 1990 Paris on the sleeve. And it's just a regular gray hoodie. Nothing fancy here. I just kind of like the set and it's comfortable, so I know that I can use it for different things. I can also like mix and match it if I want to, which is cute. The next item that I have, now I thought that this was a jumpsuit, and I'm actually kind of glad that it's not because I can use the two items separately. But this is the top portion. It's just a black little bodysuit, a little low on the side, nothing too extra. And you pair it with these pants, which I had my eye on for a while. They have snaps down all the way down the side to the bottom. The snaps open all the way up to the top of the pants. I won't wear them like that, but I just thought they were cute, and like I said, I thought it was a jumpsuit, so I was like, oh, it's cute for like a night out or something. I got this in a US 2. It's a pretty thick material, so it's from the Boohoo Night collection, and I like it. I'm excited to wear it. I think it'll be cute. Also for the summertime, it'll be nice. Oh, okay. All right, okay. The next item that I have is another set. I got this for, believe it or not, Amazon. I never thought I wanted to shop on Amazon for clothes before. I get a lot of my little gadgets and things I need for my phone from there, but this girl that I met in the mall one time, she's like, no, I got this from Amazon. I was like, let me look. So I got this little top. It's also another set. Cute gray, again, gray colored items here. And it comes with these nice high-waisted flared pants. They're super high-waisted, actually. They have pockets, which I love. And they're just cute. It's a comfy outfit. I'm really into like casual, comfy, cute outfits lately. Things you can just kind of throw on and go anywhere, and you don't really have to think about it. So the item that I have is a top. It is also from Boohoo. I got it in a US 2. It has these really nice flared sleeves at the bottom. So I thought that was cute. And then you just tie it in the front. What I really like about this one is that the tie, it made it seem like it was a wraparound, but it's not. The tie makes it look like a wraparound, but you know, it's not. And I honestly like them better because you can kind of control where the chest line falls. Sometimes wraparounds are a little too low for me, and I'm a little on the smaller side, so don't really like that. Alright, the next item that I have is this cute little crop top from Boohoo. I got this in the size US 6. Because it was a crop top, I really wasn't concerned for the fact that it's a size 6. But it's just striped blue and white, collared, polo type crop top. Again, I just like cute items that you can wear for the summer that you could throw on. You could wear it with shorts, jeans, pretty much anything just to be comfy. This next shirt I got it in a size small. And I'm not sure what brand or what's going on right now with this particular brand. It's the same brand as the jumpsuit at Boohoo. They have like a collection or a line. And I thought it was super cute. I like to wear color. I also like to wear the color black, but I really have a colorful closet. I'm obviously a woman. So I just thought it was a cute little, you know, graphic tee. The fit is really nice, and the way that the model wore it on the website was like with some cute red shorts, so I'm probably gonna mimic something like that, and which is comfortable. The next item I have is also from Boohoo. It's this really cute, simple, again, black bodysuit, and I really just liked it because the neckline's a little, you know, off-centered over here. I got this in a size US 4. I probably should have got a US 6 because I don't know if this is the thing, but like my elbow area on all of my shirts is always usually tight. I like to believe I don't have like chunky elbows, but they always fit tight in the elbows. So I'm probably gonna open that up and put a little patch there to just give me some breathing room, but I should have got the next size. For this shirt as well, which is from Boohoo, I got a US 4, I got a US 6. It's a really cute crop top, has detailing on the sides, on the sleeves, and what I really liked about the shirt is the back. It is an open back crop top, so this goes all the way to the top. You could, again, wear this with jeans, just throw it on to go somewhere, but I thought it was really cute and I'm really excited about wearing this. So there's that. The next item that I have, I got this in 2 colors actually. This is the first color. This one is in a size 6, I believe, because they ran out of the size 4, but it's just a really, again, with crop tops in Boohoo, I'm not really concerned for the size because it can be played around with. Crop top in this grayish color, grayish purpley color. It has elastic on the bottom, which is very nice, and it fits really comfy, and I liked it so much that I got it again in the size black. I mean, in the color black, size black. So from Amazon, it is this kind of color block t-shirt dress. Let me just get this thing off of this. I got this in a size small, I believe. I don't know where the tag is, but here it is. It has yellow on this side and then blue and gray on this side with white. I wouldn't say it's a mini dress. It's like a little on the longer side, but I'm sure it'll shrink a little bit, but it's just cute, comfy. I like it. Again, I'm in that cute, comfy mode, so I'm trying to find items that are comfortable that I will be able, but still be able to look cute in. So this next item is from Zara, and it is a size small. I got this really just like on a whim because I needed to wear something, and I was near Zara. I had a gift card, so I used it. But it is this long sleeve striped dress. It kind of in the middle ruches a little bit to create a nice shape and figure. It is a midi dress, and I wore it with sneakers, but I really think it'd also obviously be cute with heels. You can dress it up and dress it down, which I'm always for items that are versatile. The next item I have is another dress. It's from Boohoo. It's a size 4, and it's somewhat of a mini dress, I would say, about fingertip length, but I really just like the detailing on the sleeve. That's part of the reason why I got it. It is, of course, in gray again, and it's just cute. I think it'll be nice for the summer. You can wear it with flats, you can wear it to brunch, you can wear it wherever. Okay, the next item that I have, if you follow me on Instagram, you've already seen this, but this is a dress from Door La Door. It is a tube dress. It's ribbed, and it's like a knitted kind of sweater material. Again, color that I love. It's striped, and it's really comfortable to wear, actually, so should have got a few. They had one that was like a little off the shoulder, but I like the strapless one better, so I got this one instead. This next item is a pair of shorts that I got from Boohoo. I get a lot from Boohoo. These are from the Boohoo Tall collection, so they do kind of fit me a little boyish, but I like that. I got them in a US 4, and they just have this print on it with the tie in the front. I brought them on vacation for me when I went to New Orleans, and they were literally like possibly one of the comfortable shorts that I own. I'm very glad that I got these. Next item I have are a pair of jeans from Fashion Nova. I love Fashion Nova jeans, but I won't lie, the sizing is kind of hard to like get. I have a pair of jeans that are size 1, I have a pair of jeans that are size 3, and I also have a pair of jeans that are size 5. So, I never really know. These jeans are size 5. I got them in a size 3, and I tried them on, I'm like, nope, and I ordered the size 5. I've really been looking for a pair of cute high-waisted black jeans. I like that it has ripping, but it's minimal. Nothing too crazy, but They're super comfortable, and I'm glad that I got the size 5 because the size 3 was hurting me a little too much, so that wouldn't have worked. Anyways, thank you guys so much for tuning into my haul, my fashion haul. Be sure to stay tuned for part 2, which will be on shoes and some of the jewelry items that I got. And until next time, till I see you in my next video, thank you so much for watching. Bye.